Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer. Today, we're talking about a secret digital handshake.
We're going to look at a backdoor so clever it almost broke the entire internet.
And this isn't just theory. An attacker hid this on millions of computers, right in plain sight. It's all based on a secret digital handshake that only the attacker's master key can complete. And the stakes were huge. We're talking banks, hospitals. The entire internet was at risk.
So how'd they pull it off? Well, picture a secret lock hidden inside a completely normal one.
First, the system listens for a secret knock. Then it confirms their identity with some hidden math. And if they got in, they could just waltz past all security and erase any sign they were there. But the truly terrifying part? It's stealth. This thing was built from the ground up to be a ghost. You've got the perfect spy tool, a key for any door that leaves absolutely no trace. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.